motion.
All right, so these leather gauntlets I got off of Amazon for $23, $24, something like that. You can see they're pretty lightweight, but that's fine. These are for like theater, right? They're gonna be for show, not for like warmth or anything. And we're learning how to stage fight with these, so this is actually good. I want them to be thin because I want to get a good grip. The problem is, look where my finger is. So I'm not gonna have any like finger dexterity at the top. The hand fits perfectly. These are a medium on me. Okay, so let me just measure so I can show other people that are gonna buy this like what to expect. So when you go on the website, it tells you to measure this part of your hand, right? This part. So that's fine. So you do that. So you measure it, you know, like this. And then you get like a measurement around. So for me, I'm like 8 1/4, right? So medium starts at 7, like 7 3/4, and then goes up. So I thought, okay, well that's great, it'll fit my hand, but I didn't anticipate the fingers wouldn't be too long. So like it does fit that way, but my hand obviously doesn't fill the glove. So I'm going to try the smalls, and then stretch them, right? Because I have those old gauntlets, they were smalls, but they're so small now because they've shrunk. But I've had those for like 30 years.
But they're older,
So they may have shrunk from not being used. So I'm thinking about it. But here, before you stop the video, I want to measure the length for people here, so they can measure. So when it's laying flat directly across, you got like 4 1/4 inches, right where this was measured. Right?
So it's like 8 1/2.
And then exactly, that's right about what mine was. Mine was a little bit smaller. And then here's the measurement for each of the fingers. So we'll start with smallest finger. It's about a little over 2 1/8. It's about 2 1/8. This is 3 for the ring finger. Bless you. 3 1/2 for the middle finger. 3 for the index finger, and about all the way to the base. Just under 4, about 4 for the, and then for the thumb, and then the overall length from the longest part of the middle finger down to the end of the cuff is just under 13 inches.
So you think you need to leave like a quarter or 1/2 inch off of each finger? Probably?
They only come in small, medium, large, extra large. So I'm going to try small and see what happens. Maybe it'll stretch it out. All right. Thanks.
Okay.